The history of Lakeview, while not as expansive as that of the French Quarter, is still extremely interesting. New Orleans being below sea level is common knowledge to most residents, but what some may not know is that advancements in technology made reclamation of Lakeview possible. Lakeview is located in New Orleans, Louisiana, and the census tracts that make it up are 5601, 5602, 5603, and 5604. The name Lakeview is very fitting due to how close it is to the view of Lake Pontchartrain. When it comes to the design of a city, planner Kevin Lynch summarized what is needed for a neighborhood to thrive. Those are nodes. As defined by Kevin Lynch, nodes are points, the strategic spots in a city into which an observer can enter and which are the intensive foci to and from which he is traveling. Paths are fairly self-explanatory as defined by Kevin Lynch. Paths are the channels in which the observer customarily, occasionally, or potentially moves. This definition is meant to be broad due to the variety of the type of paths. They can be anything from a street that vehicles travel down to a sidewalk in a neighborhood. In the field research, the definition used is that of a street due to the example being one. Edges are an extremely important component of city design. They are meant to separate different areas of a city, and many take form in physical objects such as walls, or in the case of Lakeview, a wall and a canal. Anything past the edge of Lakeview is a separate neighborhood entirely. While Lakeview has 4 separate edges that border it, photos were taken of the eastern edge due to it being visualized by a wall and body of water. Districts are one of the more abstract Kevin Lynch elements, as there is no hard set rule on what makes a district look like a district. It just must contain different areas that are of the roughly same type. The district that was shown through the field survey was that of Alvey J. Lapo district. When defining a landmark, Kevin Lynch states, landmarks are another type of point reference, but in this case, the observer does not enter within them. They are external. These landmarks can range from anything to a long flagpole, or in the case of Lakeview, a Celtic cross. The history of Lakeview